Hello friends, it's a follow along leg day and I'm going to take you through the best 5 exercises that's going to target your legs overall. I will be showing you modifications for beginners in my previews as well. The first 3 exercises are the weighted moves, whereas the last 2 are body weight only, which will be challenging your mobility and raising your heart rate as well. If you are choosing to go with advanced level, you will need your heavier weight dumbbells, chair or a bench, and yoga blocks. Otherwise, you will need just your dumbbells. So get ready, grab your weights, and let's get going. the end of the workout. Great job, my friend. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you later.